Hello guys, today I'm going to take you through how you can download and install Python on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to go to our browser. I'm using Chrome. Remember, you can use any browser at all you are using for this. It will work perfectly. So now here's what we do. We are going to search for what? Python download right here. So when you search for Python download, you are going to see the official website of Python here, which is what? python.org here. Now, if you can't see this link, I'll put it in the description for you, but I know definitely when you search for Python download, to directly take you to the official download page of Python. So we are going to click on this. Now it's going to load the Python installation page for you. So here we can see what all the versions of Python here. Now this is the latest version at the time of doing this video, which is 3.14 and 3. So if I scroll down, in case you want any other version, you can see all of them here. So you have 3.13, 3.12, they are all here. So you can choose any specific version you want here. They are all here. So if you want a specific older version, you just can have a look at them and download. But I'm going to download the latest version right now. So what I'm going to do is here you have the option to download the Python install manager. Now I don't want any kind of complicated thing. I just want a straightforward thing. So I'm going to download the standalone installer, which is this. So I'll click on this, get the standalone installer rather. Now you're going to start downloading automatically. So you see the downloading starting automatically. Now the download is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my file explorer in my download folder. I'm going to hit double click on this package here. Now wait some more, you can see it's going to open the download window. Now here we want to add Python to path, especially if this is the first time you are installing. You really want to add Python to path. It's very necessary, so we have to also check this. Now the next thing also is use admin privileges when installing Python. You also want to use admin privileges, because if you don't do this, Python will be limited to do a lot of things when you are trying to use it. Sometimes it will need admin approval to do a lot of things, which is going to limit you. So we want to make it use admin privileges, because you want it to be able to do everything you want it to do easily. So we have to check this. Now once you are done with this tool, we have to go to install now. You can also go with custom installation, but once again, I don't want anything complicated. I like straightforward things. So we just go to install now. Now the installation process is going to start here. So you can see it's installing all the development libraries and all those things that we need for Python to work. So wait a few minutes or a few seconds and see. Okay, so as you can see, Python has been successfully installed here as well. So now what I want to do is we want to close this for now. So I'll close this for now. Now we are going to open our command prompt and check if Python has truly been installed. So what I'll do, I'll go to cmd and I'm going to type Python -- version. Okay, so now you can see this is giving me the latest version of Python we just downloaded, which is 3.14.3. so that is telling us yes, Python has been successfully installed and perfectly working. So once again, also if I go to my search and I search for Python, you can see we have Python the 64-bit 3.14 also installed here. We also have the IDE here. So for example, if I click the IDE here, supposed to launch the IDE for me. So this is the Python IDE here, for example. So maybe I can say print something like let's say subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if I hit enter, you can see it working. Subscribe to my channel has been printed. So that is how we install Python on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also drop me some comment. And also see you in another video.